What's up? Hope you all are doing great, and man am I excited for today's video. Now, to be very honest with you guys, I don't really care how I look like or sound like in today's video because first of all, I'm far too excited for that. As you can see, I'm sweating like crazy. And the next thing is that the video is not going to be about me. It's gonna be about that guy over there. Because after 5 long years, my productivity PC slash gaming PC is going to get an upgrade today. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in, shall we? Now, those of you who know me personally or have been a long-time member of my channel are probably aware that I'm a big PC guy. And in fact, the entirety of my channel, including all the videos that you've been seeing so far, have been made possible thanks to this PC of mine. And those of you who have been following me on my Twitter are probably aware that I've been slowly trying to upgrade my PC throughout the entirety of this year. And that included things like getting a new CPU with more cores and threads, getting a new CPU cooler that can handle the beast and everything. It was only during the later part of this year that I found myself getting involved in some compatibility issues with respect to my hardware, and that kind of led me to believe the fact that my PC was getting kind of old and it desperately needed an upgrade with respect to the entire platform. And that basically translates to me building a new PC altogether, which I kind of did and also gathered the guts to make a video about. So I'm gonna shut myself up right now and let you guys watch the build video that I made. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching it. Alright, so that was pretty much it for this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Leave a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on a single upload. This is me, Rohit, signing off. I'll see you guys next year, and thank you so much for watching.